So in the last video, you heard me talking about my personal purpose. This is something that I've been really trying to work on, figure out what exactly I wanted to do. And I found out that that key word that I was missing was the trust. I know with my professional purpose, and honestly, this word never came to me because I thought it was just too woozy at first, but that key word that I was missing was love. My professional purpose is to spark a movement of healing through love. And I'll do this by sharing wisdom and knowledge. Okay, what are you thinking here? At first, when I wrote this out and figured, wow, this is my purpose, I looked at it for a few minutes going, there's something wrong. That's kind of weird, and how do I do that? And then I remembered that I needed to trust my creativity to allow me to grow, thrive, and flourish as a woman, just like in my personal purpose. So now I understand that the creativity that I have developed, the skills that I developed by luckily being able to take some video production and broadcast journalism courses in high school, which are normally only offered in university, I'm able to use these creative skills to sit down with masters in their fields, pick their brains, find out what those pieces of knowledge are so that we can heal ourselves. And I know now that the root of being able to heal yourself, the root of being able to heal myself, is being able to love myself enough to do it. By able to love myself and to love where I'm at, to embrace where I'm at in life and in love, I'm able to heal the wounds of the past. I was able to see this in my new relationship by his level of acceptance of myself. I was able to see that it was me who needed to love myself enough to give the relationship a chance. This was one of those transformative moments in my life because I understood that self-love was the root of all healing. And now, this year, and many years to come, I plan to sit down with other people so that I can figure out what are some of the other lessons that we can learn to heal ourselves and our planet. All right, go ahead and comment below. I want to hear your thoughts. But after you're done doing that, hop on over to the next video where I will share with you my final purpose, my global purpose. See you on the next video, and may you grow, thrive, and flourish.